سلام كمية تخونو خمي اللهم دحان اللهم يه حراي امبار احوات كمسي ابترؤس تريقو زلهم تمالي زنبره زينات هاتيو قالون كل حيلة زخونة زينا وصي دي وطن بزعب اما اي رخبكن حدا فيروس كن خلط عمل ترأيني ري اكشواليز فيروس زي اب مصري اب افريقيا كبابك 10 هجراتنا افريقيا ترأي زلو زي حمام زي سوفار كساب هجي راح كباب 500 سبات بتحمام تبدي مالو زي امباكس بحال بك كابزي مانكي باكس يمزلو حمام انت يمثل مصري اب الكونغو يزرق زلو سو قربناتو سورسالنا مون اشتينعو خري احوات ዓለማዊ ድብ ንባዕሎም እዚ ኢመርጀንሲ ፀዊዖም ከም ዘለዉ ዶክተር ቴድሮስ ማለት እዩ እዚ ሓደገኛ ሕማሚ ብፍጥነት ዝጓዓዝ ዘሎ ስለዚ እንታይ መስል ብዛዕባ ቁርብ ንእሽተይ ሰርች ክህልወና ኣፍልጦ ክህልወና ብዝያዳ ኣብ ኣፍሪቃ ነብር ካብ ኣፍሪቃ ጥራሕ ሆና ኣይኮነን ጠጠው ክብል ያ ኣሜሪካን ካልእን ይዘራርብሉ ኩለን ዓለማት ማለት እዩ ፋስት ክመፅእ ይኽእል እዩ ሶ ሜቢ ኣይ ዶንት ኖ ኣናዘር ኮቪድ ቫይረስ ዶ ክንብሎ ከምኡ እዩ ኣማፃፅኡ ሓደገኛ እዩ ዝመስል ሶ let's see what happened after news نشتكن كيد محوات تاكن كبر نخلقها داتا تنققنا مالتي alright let's get it CNN news here كل شيء عايز تكم أنا sorry CNN news تكون CNBC زي ما زلوا let's see what he said CNBC in here بحرونا بدكتور تيدروس هون انتهى بتعبوا نشتكن مزينا
The World Health Organization tonight is declaring Mpox, formerly known as monkeypox, a global public health emergency as a
بحصر زباله اتي علماوي جلوبال وكا امرجنسي تصويع زي امباكس وكا مانكي باكس ناي مانكي باكس كون حمام اسقاي وكاين زلو سبريد غيرلو بافريكا جن كاب افريكا ون اسقاي كمصيو ناب كال مالي سو كنترول خونالو ابت زلو ز عينتيو تي ديكلير نحر كل شيء امرجنسي نحر تصوع عليها حوات حدقني حمام مالي حدقني حمام نحر كاينو لايك كل سبنابو مف قبرالو مالتي ابو خلو انتاي فاكسين دي خدلي انتاي خدلي مدهاني دي ميديسينز دي كريد خفتر كل نجر يقبرلو يصرحلو قدم هجو انت رايني باي ذا واي قدم خلت عامد كن هجي مصلي فاس كوين يمسي زلو مالتي سبيشال نتم دكاتره كنغرفلهم كن جست كم حبريتا اي حبشه اديوكيشن امتي لكم زلو حوات I'm not that doctor but just زي حمام زي انتاي مسل نزبلي يا از كله بزين ري ازلنات كل شجرات انتاي مسل مالتي let's see.
New form of the virus is now rapidly spreading across Africa. Cases
like rapidly spreading بفتنة يزقعز له هجي ab أفريقيا أزي بفتنة كاتزنا برقد مهجي.
Have been detected in more than a dozen countries. More of them in the most of them rather in the Democratic Republic of the Congo.
Yeah, more than a dozen countries. اللي طبعا بعصرت خلطة هنا أتعيز له. mostly كن هجي أب Democratic Republic Congo تخندي زلهم عليك. تحمام أنت يمسر رأي وكمتي picture جريون زلهم look this one. سمع الله خديت الله live. Let me see this. Okay. تسمع أنت اللي please let me know.
Congo with more than 14,000 cases there, 524 deaths.
Alright, so far according to Mali, night Mali never report about Zowizia, Nilo عند حدش report أي رأخذ له. لعلة 14 حيخون like case نيرو. كابزي أمك خباب حموشة 220 حموشة نخونو موت أقات يملو like 14% نحن قلكم مع حموشة 220 حموشة ني قبل 14 حند just multiply جركم ويك divide جركم بس كندي percent سفاري قتر على مالتي this is a lot حموشة 220 كاب 14 مالتي let's get that math سحوات like 525 divided 14,000 yeah, almost less than it be show at 10%. That's a lot.
This year alone, here at home, the CDC is urging doctors and the public to be alert for signs of the virus.
Azam ميتم زلو this year is all like هجنا إذا عمل زي أنا نزلنا نايزا لينك أنا أخمان خلونا يكون زي عينة ملكات الرأي مثلكم رسن له تشيلسالو نجنا exhaustion allo headache muscle weakness rash زخلو زرقة ملكاتيو أبتنبسها جن بحفشة كريئكم يا دحين.
Including fever, muscle aches, swollen lymph nodes. Dr. Ashke Sayal is joining us now. Doctor, how big of a threat is this in terms of a global perspective, and what does this global health emergency declaration really do from a practical standpoint?
well, what he's asking is the doctor is like how big you can make كون ዓለማዊ ክስግእ ዝኽእል yeah of course ሰለስተ ነጥቢ almost 524 ሰባት ሞትን ድሕረ ሌንኮ 14,000 ሕሙማት it's very yes of course very scary ማለት እዩ እንታይ ይኽብልቲ ዶክተር let's see ብዓለማዊ ተታሒዙ ዘሎ ዲክለር ዶክተር ቴድሮስ ትማሊ በቂት ትማሊ ግን let's see what happened.
Hey, Tom. So this is actually the second time in 3 years the WHO has declared a public health emergency over Mpox. And what we're seeing now is, yes, the case...
Yeah, ካልኣይ ግዜ ኣብ 3 ዓመት ዝብሎ ዘሎ ካልኣይ ግዜ ኣብ 3 ዓመት ዲክለር ይገብራሉ ዲክለር ማለት በቃ ኣዋጅ እውጅሎ ማለት እዩ ያ ነዚ ሕማም እዚ መፅኡ ኣሎ ሰብ ካልኣይ ግዜ እዩ ኣደነ ቅድሚ ሕጂ ማዕረኹ እንዱ ሞት ኣይነበረን መስለን ሕጂ ግን very ተዓጻጸፊ ሞት ይመፅኡ ዘሎ.
Cases are largely in Africa, specifically in the DRC, the Democratic Republic of Congo. But the reason they're calling this out now, Tom, is that it's actually leaking out into neighboring countries. And Tom, this is...
Yeah, mostly like yeah, Congo is a law, Democratic Republic of Congo. Again, نابتن neighborhood country, نابتن قرابة هاجرات كالليك يرولا نا عشرة تقلتقون هاجرات مالتي. Yeah, I don't know. تخباب زلنا may not said نزي أب أفريقيا زلنا بزيادة مالتي.
This is a different strain than the Mpox outbreak we saw a few years ago, including here in the U.S. This one has a fatality rate about 15 to 30 times higher. It's significantly more deadly than the other ones.
All right, 15. Does he say 15 to 30? Okay, let's see that. What he says.
Significantly more deadly than the other ones. So you can see the WHO is acting quickly here, and the PHEIC 30 times higher. It's significantly more
15 to 30 times. Like كالعشرة حمشة كسب ثلاثة يكون higher. That means speed caps never like in ثلاثة عامات مالت. That means like almost like you know like third we got ثلاثة% يكون higher. EU ማለት ቅልጣፈ ዘለዎ ሕማም ይብለና ኣሎ
deadly than the other ones. So you can see the WHO is acting quickly here, and the PHEIC, the public health emergency, really calls for nations to start sharing resources, vaccines, treatments, research.
Yeah, like 15 to 13 times higher. كم 15 كم 3 times like the higher. Damn it, that's a lot. All right.
Can be really, really useful for those.
Yeah, كلهم act together. US Department of Health and Human Service act together. The World Nation بملو act together. Dr. Tedros like تزاريب له بزعبة زي declared ability so medicines and vaccines.
For countries, and you can see here a statement, Tom, we just got in the last hour from HHS, saying that while the CDC, yes, saying the public should be alert. Right now, the threat is very low here in the United States, but people should nonetheless be on the lookout for this thing. For this virus and to stay alert for those symptoms that you mentioned earlier there, Tom.
Hey, doctor, as we were talking about the symptoms, I thought, are we missing one? In other words, I thought that one of the symptoms with monkeypox anyway was kind of a severe blistering type of thing.
Yeah, it was that rash bullet on there. You can see in the bottom right that it's very typical of Mpox. When you see it, you can't really miss it. But those other symptoms you mentioned, fever, chills, exhaustion, odds are if you're having those things, it's probably something else, including the flu or maybe even COVID. But the rash really is the hallmark symptom, Tom. That blistering rash you mentioned. Yes.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, like this break እዚ ሕማም እዚ ብሴክሹዋል ክመሓላለፍ ዝኽእል like ብምቅርራብ ብሃፋውን ክመሓላለፍ ዝኽእል ዓይነት እዩ. Look guys, this is how oh yeah, let me show you this. ብዙሕ መንገዲ oh yeah, I had been read on global certainty. Okay, that's what I like it. Okay, let's see that what it looks like the outbreak. So what? Yeah, this is the one looks look something I've never seen. Like this guy has really huge. Like let me show to you this. I think so. This one. All right, Mpox. Okay, Mpox. Not too green. Mpox. Outbreak. Yeah, let me show you this. Yeah, good morning, Sarah. This is scary, man. This is what we are hanging out for.
Declared a global public health emergency following an outbreak of a new strain of the Mpox virus in Africa. The virus, formerly known as monkeypox, can be passed on through close contact and causes flu-like symptoms and lesions on the body and can be deadly. It's now been
close contact كحلف يخليو the sex كحلف يخليو. Yeah, I need more source for that. That's what
detected in at least 13 African countries, but one country has been hit particularly hard, the Democratic Republic of Congo.
Mpox is surging across Africa. And this is ground zero. Thousands of cases have been reported in the Democratic Republic of Congo as a new outbreak grips the country.
Look this, mostly at the Democratic Republic of Congo. Look this.
It's already claimed at least 450 lives, most of them children, and it's showing no sign of slowing down.
The detection and rapid spread of a new clade of Mpox in eastern DRC, its detection in neighboring countries that had not previously reported Mpox, and the potential for further spread within Africa and beyond is very worrying. In addition to other outbreaks of other clades of Mpox in other parts of Africa, it's clear that a coordinated international response is essential to stop these outbreaks and save lives.
Formerly known as monkeypox.
Yeah, that's the good thing is like all of our control كجبرو to declare النحر كونوت. That's good news مالتي. Yeah, I think so it's easy to control مثلا كم تزحلف قدم 3 عامات ترى إني رسول زخونة. كاب نايك قدم 3 عامات فلوس جبرو كو 15 كسب 3 times double تفتاتي خيد منه خانو ورباس قاعد لوجن. Yeah, they will create virus and vaccine and the medicine is كله تعشم جبرو MT on top the law. Yeah, this is how mostly let me show you another source it's really yeah, Washington Post when post جرمو نيرم قدم 14 ساعات يكون almost 524 so far ميتم زلو قدمي 9 minute كمان just update جرمو نيرم نعود so تزبط نجار the World Health Organization تأشم غيره خمسة emergency أو عنكم زلوا أبكل تشحن إسرائيل كل تنون ترى إني رئيس قداي زين this is the scary one هيجي قرب تزجر ده أزيخ فوتوخان the virus was first detected in human more than 50 years ago in the oh wow my قدم 5 عامات يكون ab Republic of Congo قدم هيجي declare تفليت إنيرو like قدم 50 years look this guys look this services so yeah, this is mostly up Congo راح يزرع زلوا so نابتن 10 هاجرات هنا لكن كيد مهلاور مالتي. Sources officially announced that Thursday that they have discovered a one case marking the first time the variant has been detected outside Africa, but still is considered the risk of the public. Yeah, like outside of Africa, one had a case that I don't know what it is. It says Swedish, probably USA. So yeah, this is overall what so. Yeah, declared Gerom Tamali, August is that Tamali? Tamali August 14. Dr. Tedros has declared for this. Let's see what happened. Yeah, Kababi so far this more than 15,600 case. Look that. العصرت حموش شحن شميتين case and كابزيوم كباب حموش شميت 3 شوعة ميتم على مالتي. This has been reported from Congo. Wow. Yes. The days rate is about 5.5. I don't know why my maths is not right then. How much the percent? Is this, am I wrong? Okay. 15,600. All right. Probably, yeah. 537. Yeah. 537 divided 15,600. I don't know. My math is not right then. Okay. So about 5% of Congo virus declared comes goboru. That's all, guys. Yeah, let's see how it does. زي تحمام there is a MAPS vaccine. Public health authorities recommend that the people who are the higher risk just depend on the country, it can be included health workers, sex. Yeah. كلهم أبو زلوا تم هل سرح دنيا زخونو أبو زلوا عندنا بمسمات زخمت سيو who has a sex with the women and that get vaccinated to prevent this. Vaccinate كهون اللو مكا vaccinate كهون اللو in the United States against bisexual men. Damn it, I don't want that read. Okay, so the vaccine كاللو مالتي بحثوا they should vaccinate this. They should there are 2 doses نهلكم of the vaccine كلته كنينا مالتي known as Janus and developed to prevent the smallpox. Okay, yeah, this is all, guys. So I'm hearing a little bit bigger or it's kind of scary. Again, yeah, another vaccine called LC16M8 another vaccine called this has been approved in Japan approved the vaccine Z. So there is kind of those are low CDC model. This is may help prevent people from the organization. This and then according to the CDC, yeah, CDC in the model is it approved the vaccine malati. So bazun another vaccine. Smallpox vaccine is ACAM 2000 has been used in the past for the Mpox. ACAM 2000 come on low. So very much, yeah. We need to have the vaccine. Then that's all. If this كل مرهانيتين كالن زلوا إذا مسج زلوا. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Has been spread. Oh, since 2002. Yeah, 22. Yes, that's what it says. The source. I don't even necessarily that. أنا قدم سلسلة مع الترحيل سمع لهم I don't know that. 2022 خمس نبرة جن شعوز نبرة هجين في اللي كم زلوا. نهجي كاب عصرت حمشك ساب سلاسة فتنة زلوا. times فتنة الله كعصرت حمشة سكاب سلاسة فتنة زلوي نهاية سحلفهم عليك. This is all what we have for today, guys. Yeah, let's protect ourselves. That's all we can do. Thanks so much. All right, talk to you next time.